on my lane, you all on my lane. You ain't overlooked, so get out the way. I gave you the book, I gave you the game. The boy gotta cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like you Nino. Plenty pitching, whipping different flavors like a bistro. Kicking, dipping, flipping, keep it hunting like a C note. Switching, keep it pimping every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
What's going on, YouTube? And welcome back to my channel. And today we got our amazing lemon pepper chicken noodle soup. Sorry about my voice. I'm a little under the weather, but you know, we're still gonna get this video done. So the first thing you want to do is you want to season your chicken, and we're gonna go down with some kosher salt, followed by we did a splash of black pepper, but then we went on with our granulated onion. Then we also switched it up with some of our granulated garlic. And after the granulated garlic, you're gonna see me go on with a big helping of lemon pepper seasoning, and that's what's gonna give us that good pungent lemon pepper flavor into the soup. And after that lemon pepper seasoning, we want to kind of throw some herbs in there as well. So I went on with some thyme. I use dry thyme. You can use fresh thyme. Pretty much whatever you got in the house, use it. So what we do next, we're gonna flip the chicken over, and then we're gonna go over with the same seasonings on the top side. You can season the top side first, bottom side, whatever your preference is. You follow that when it comes to seasoning. Like I said, my recipes are not really recipes, but more like guidelines. But you just fill in the spots where you want certain things at and omit certain things that you don't like. But you see me finishing up with some more of that lemon pepper seasoning. And make sure you use lemon pepper seasoning without salt, because you want to be able to control your salt intake when it comes to this dish. Then we following it up with the last little bit of thyme. Like I said, it's dry thyme, but you can use fresh, pretty much your preference. Then we're gonna go ahead and massage all that goodness into this chicken. Get your hands dirty, massage it in. Then we'll go ahead and prep our carrots. And for a good quality chicken noodle soup, you want to use the Mirepoix blend, which is the celery, carrots, and onions. And just think about your carrots and your celery. These are going to be what's going to be seen inside the dish. So whatever way you prep it, just make sure it looks decent, because these pieces are still going to be visible. The onions, not too much, but especially the celery and the carrots, those items are going to be very visible. So appearance is always key when it comes to those. So you see me cut my carrots into medallions. My onions, I'm gonna just dice them regular. Like I said, it's gonna be in the dish, but it's gonna almost disintegrate a little bit, so you're not really gonna see the onions too much. But make sure you take extra initiative to make the carrots and the celery look presentable. And then you see me prepping the celery, and I'm gonna just trim the top and the bottom. Clean all your vegetables too. I normally don't say that, but just make sure you clean your vegetables. And I'm gonna just go with a bias cut with the celery. And I want to make them kind of uniform, because, like I said, these items are gonna stick around for when we actually serve the chicken noodle soup. It's still gonna be visible. Then I'm taking the chicken and I'm searing it off. You can use any kind of oil, vegetable oil, but I'm using canola oil here. And you see that good fun at the bottom of the pan. A lot of people just boil their chicken, and I'm gonna boil this chicken as well, but I wanted to develop some flavor, so I went ahead and seared it. From the searing, I'm gonna add my vegetables and let the vegetables and the water from the vegetables extract that fun from the bottom of the pan. Throw a little salt in there just to extract the water out of the vegetables. And this is going to give us some amazing flavor. Excuse me. Some amazing flavor when it comes to this beautiful soup here. And we're going to go on with some lemon pepper seasoning and some of the same seasonings that we seasoned the chicken with, but especially the lemon pepper seasoning. Like I said, this is lemon pepper chicken noodle soup, so it's going to be heavy on the lemon pepper seasoning. So there you go with that. And then we're going to go on with some of our homemade chicken stock. I told you if you ever need help with making chicken stock, I'll link my chicken stock video down below. But anytime you see me making soups or stocks, I'm always using my homemade chicken stock. And just to dilute my chicken stock a little bit, I went in with some water as well, because my chicken stock is very potent. So I wanted to add a little water just to dilute it. And then you see me going in with my chicken to go ahead and boil that chicken down. But we already got good color on there, so it's already developed flavor. So I pulled the chicken out. It's done. We set it to the side. We're going to pull that. And then with our soup, we're going to go in with our egg noodles. And I'm doing the egg noodles inside of the stock just to thicken it up a little bit with the starch from the noodles. It's not going to thicken it that much, but it's going to give us some sort of body. And then I went on in with a little chicken bouillon to give us some more of that hardcore chicken flavor. Then I'm tasting it. I always taste it for seasoning, to see if you need to adjust anything, add anything. But right now, this chicken noodle soup is amazing. So I'm gonna go in a bowl. I'm gonna go on with our soup. And like I said, we pulled the chicken apart, so we're gonna go in with a little chicken at the end. And then we're gonna finish with a little bit more of that broth on top. Gonna finish it with some parsley just for the look, color, presentation. And there you have it, the most incredible lemon pepper chicken noodle soup. This is well needed for this time of year, especially we're under the weather. I sprinkle a little lemon pepper on top as well. But thank you guys for checking this video out, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Lemon pepper chicken noodle soup. I'm out.